how to buy InterLink on their DEX using Trust Wallet. So you're going to need BNB in order to purchase InterLink. So what I'm doing here is I'm using my wallet to transfer, cross-chain transfer ETH to BNB. So you can purchase BNB in Trust Wallet, but not all wallets give you the ability to do that. So if you're on Coinbase, you won't be able to buy BNB. You can buy ETH on your Coinbase wallet, and then you can link Trust Wallet, which will show your holdings, and then turn around and you can do a cross-chain transfer. You can do this with any majority of anything. Sol, Base, you can do a cross-chain transfer to get BNB in order to buy InterLink. So what I'm doing here is I have ETH. I am going to do a cross-chain transfer, not a swap. It won't work because you're transferring from one blockchain to another. So it's called a cross-chain transfer. I'm going to click this. I'm going to put in the amount of ETH that shows that I have 0.018. So I'm going to do half of that. So I'm going to do $25. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to try to guess here how much $25 is. Probably right around there. Yep, so there you go. So now what it's doing is it's doing a cross-chain transfer. It's showing $25. It's going to be transferred to BNB. Okay, I'm going to hit continue. It's going to take a second. It's going to let me know if you can do this. On certain amounts, if it's too low, it'll throw an error code. So you either have to deposit more funds for ETH or make a larger purchase to be able to do a cross-chain transfer. I'm not quite sure. I think it's like $5. You have to do at least $10, I think. But it gives you your provider fees, okay, and your network fees. The network fees will change depending on the traffic that's on Ethereum. So try to do it when if Ethereum is like exploding and the price is going up or it's dropping really hard, there's gonna be high traffic, so your network fee will be higher. But right now there's hardly any price impact right now, and that's what that negative 2.36. So it's very inexpensive to do this right now. So the quote actually expired, so I need to redo this quote. As soon as it comes back, I will immediately confirm. It's still about the same. It's going to ask for my two-factor, which I'm giving it permission. I suggest you do. Now it's processing. The validation is now underway. So it's going to take a few minutes sometimes, depending on the traffic. It looks like it's already been completed. So you can see everything here. So I'm just going to go back out and wait until I see the transfer. Since I have everything, I'm going to click on BNB. Still not showing. It shows there was a swap for this, but it's not showing in my balance yet. So I'm just going to give it a minute or two to update. Sometimes this can take a second. So I might have to cut the video off and then relaunch it once the BNB arrives. Sometimes it will not for like 5 minutes or so. But once it does, so see, it does show my ETH. It did show that it did deduct it. Still waiting on the BNB to arrive. Shows it was completed, but it just has not landed in the wallet yet. There it is. I think it just landed. Yep, there it is. So now what we're going to do is we need to go to the browser. Okay, so every wallet has a browser. Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Every wallet has a browser. So in order to get on the DEX for where you're going to purchase the coin, you're going to need to enter in a link that they have. So I'm going to the browser down here. It says Discover. Okay, it says enter the DApp URL. So this is, the DApp stands for decentralized app, right? So you would enter in the address. Okay, you can see I have some things saved up here. So you just do InterLink swap. I click that. I already have it saved. Okay, lands on their website. Okay, I hit enter app. All right. So the next thing you need to do here is you have to connect your wallet. All right. So I'm in Trust Wallet, so I hit Connect Wallet. You choose the wallet. It confirms. It's going to confirm. You hit Connect. Bam. Now you can see at the top right, it's showing the amount of ETH that's in my wallet. But at the bottom, since I own BNB, it's showing what I pay. So BNB, I have 0.0418. So what I'm going to do here is use the max amount, which actually got to use a little less because of fees. So I'm going to do just this here. It's a little less. I know I have $24 in there, so hopefully that's enough. So what I'm going to do is hit swap. It will let me know. You hit switch network. It's going to confirm. Hit swap. All right, so this error just means it's a good thing that it popped up because it allows me to show you there's probably not enough funds for BNB to cover the transaction cost. So what I'm going to do here is just reduce it. So now I know I have $1.20, so I'm going to try swap. It lets you know it will revert. Oh, it looks like I had enough with that. So nope, there you go. So the max, it gives me the cost. See, I have $24, but see down here it says max $24.15. So there's not enough in there. So it's a perfect example of what could happen to you. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to do 0.38. Okay. So now this should cover what I need. So hit swap. Hit swap. It's going to pop up. It says approve. Hit approve. Do your authentication. And it looks like it approved. So what is going to happen now is you get out of the browser. And now that you've purchased it, it should show up in your wallet. And if I look at BNB, it shows the smart contract on the decentralized app or the DApp, right? It shows the amount. There it is. Shows the network fee. It says completed. You can view more details if you would like on BS Scan. It will show you the timestamp and the wallet interactions and the amount. And you're done. It should show up in your wallet, which I have my wallet connected to Trust Wallet, so it will not show here. It will show in my other wallet. Okay, but that's it. That's all you got to do. And you can do a cross-chain transfer from ETH to BNB, or you can just purchase BNB on the Trust Wallet by hitting buy. You can enter in the amount. You can use credit cards, debit cards, or bank account to buy BNB and follow the steps to go through the web to enter in the link. You can find the link for the DApp on InterLink's website. If you go to InterLink, you can find their link tree. You click on link tree and it says buy InterLink via InterLink swap. So you can click here. There's the link. There's what I just took you through. You can copy this, go back into MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using, go to their browser, copy and paste, and it will pull it up. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you.